What do you think of when you hear the word bank? Long lines, confusing paperwork, maybe a little bit of a headache. For businesses, the traditional banking experience can feel like it's stuck in the last century. It's slow, it's complicated, and it's just not built for the way we work today. But what if there was an institution designed from the ground up to be different? That's what Qonto set out to create. They're not your typical bank. They are a financial institution, yes, but they operate with the mindset of a modern tech company. Think less stuffy branch and more intuitive app. Qonto is a neobank, also known as a digital bank or an online bank, specifically for businesses and freelancers. Their mission is to simplify business finance by offering a 360-degree solution. From day-to-day accounts and physical and virtual debit cards to expense management and invoicing tools, everything is integrated into one platform. So what does that mean for you? It means no more jumping between different software for accounting and banking. It means real-time notifications on your spending. It means being able to issue a new virtual card for a team member in seconds, not days. They've taken the friction out of business banking and replaced it with efficiency. Qonto is a fully licensed payment institution, supervised by the Autorite de Contrôle Prudential et de Résolution, ACPR, the French banking regulator. This ensures your funds are secure and protected, giving you peace of mind while you focus on what you do best, running your business. They've built a reputation for excellent customer service, with a focus on speed and clarity. Their platform is constantly evolving, with new features and integrations added regularly, so you know you're always getting a service that's keeping up with the pace of your business. Qonto is more than just a place to hold your money. It's a financial partner built for the future of work. A financial institution for founders, by founders. It's the banking solution for those who want to spend less time on administration and more time on innovation.